Welcome back. This is Mrs. Rubright with Advanced Algebra 1 Honors, and we are learning 4.6, Graphing and Writing Linear Functions. Alright, so graphing lines. You can graph the linear function f of x, which equals mx plus b, which is really just y equals mx plus b, by using the slope m and the y-intercept b. So when we have y equals mx plus b, this is your slope, your rise over run, or your change in y over change in x, which is really just y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Your slope or your rate of change. This is your y-intercept. All right. So you're going to locate your y-intercept. You're going to plot that point, and then you're going to rise over run on your graph to be able to plot the points. All right, and draw a line between those points. When using m to locate a second point, bear in mind that m is a ratio, so many values on the rise over run are possible. For instance, if your slope is 1 over 2, you go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and you have all those points in between. All right, so if I was going to graph the function y equals negative 2x plus 4. So I see that this says f of x, but I just always instantly turn that into a y, because f of x, g of x, m of x, all those different letters just make it look so much more confusing. So I just instantly say to myself, y equals negative 2x, negative 2/3 x plus 4, because then it just looks normal and it makes me feel better. So my y-intercept is 4, right? My y-intercept is positive 4. So I'm going to plot that on the y-axis. My slope is negative 2/3. So negative 2 is my rise, and my run is 3. So I'm going down 1, 2, over 1, 2, 3. Down 2, over 1, 2, 3. Down 2, over 1, 2, 3. I could also go up 2, 1, 2, in the negative direction, 1, 2, 3. Up 2, negative direction, 1, 2, 3. So here is my graph of f of x. Okay. So, use the slope to move the first point to the second point. Begin by moving down 2, because the rise is negative, and then move right 3, because the run is positive. Plot a second point. Draw the line through the 2 points. The domain. Your domain is your x values. Your range is your y values. So your domain, your x values, it covers all x values, right? It goes forever this way and forever that way, so all of your x's get covered, so it's going to be all real numbers. All real numbers. Your range, your y values also cover all real numbers. A pitcher with a maximum capacity of 4 cups contains 1 cup of apple juice. Concentrate. A faucet is turning on, filling the pitcher at a rate of 0.25 cups per second. The amount of liquid in the pitcher in cups is a function, A of t, of time in seconds that the water is running. Let me pause this real quick to answer the phone.